Okay, guys, so this section we're going to be using mobile devices that everyone is very conversant with to open our shop online, have our own website where we can sell our product online for free. And also, this video is going to cover where we can actually start doing our hats. So I will advise you to just calm down, follow up, and do exactly what I am doing. So we're going to start with how to create your shop online, how to register your shop online, and all like that. So first thing first is go to mobile.com slash you say shop slash create. Click on this link and to take you to this info where you can register your shop. And then after that, input your name. So I will input a name. I will input my name as okay, so I will input my name Samson. I will input so I will input Samson Exodus 123 at gmail.com. So I will input my name, I will input my password. Then I will input my password again. Then input my shop name. So the name of my shop is Samson Global, right? So the address is, I'm going to input 350 Duse Street, FCT Abuja. Then I will click on register my shop. Then after that, the shop will be registered, and your shop is registered, and that's then this is, I can input my shop logo. So now the shop, so I'll just go back to my logo right here. So my shop name is Samsung Global shop logo. I'll select this logo, click on upload new, upload browse, then click on download, and the images that I downloaded is right here. Then it's upload. After uploading, I'll click on select, then you see add file that I uploaded. Now I select that add files right here, and it will come. Then I'll input my phone number as 090102994. So the meta title, so this is going to be global platform for global platform for let's say phone business. So this is going to be my description. Then I will copy my description and say buy from this platform, buy quality and original phone with us today. I click on save, and so after this is saved, my logo for the website is going to be saved, and also the banner. So this banner settings is very important. If I click on this if I click on visit shop, this one right here, visit shop, this is the link to my shop, this is the link to my own website or mobile. So I will click on this link. See, the Samsung Global has not been activated, right? So that means the shop has not been approved yet by mobile admin, right? So once the shop is approved by mobile admin, I will see the information about my shop. Now let's take a look at shop example. So let's look at this this Bintabiola shop. So this is how the shop is going to look like. This is how our shop is going to look, our website is going to look like, our store, top selling product, what we are selling, and every other thing like that, all products. Now banner, there's something called banner. This is the banner designed for this person. So the banner is going to be displayed right here, and also this is the product for the person. As you can see, this is the person's product, but because the network is slow, the image is not coming up. So someone just have to wait for the network to actually load all the images. So these are the new arrivals. These are some of the product of this person, and as you can see, the person's website is really cool, and people can actually click on this product and buy it. Like I'm clicking on this, I like this product. So this is the person's product. So this is how your own product too is going to be displaying, right? So this is your gown. This is message seller. People can message you. People can buy your products. People can share to their social media and so many other things like that. So now let's go back to our own shop. So let's go back to our own shop, right? So these banner settings, I will just go to this and say phone banner design. Phone banner design. So I will just take on images, special offer hurry up. So I will just take this and I can download this. So I can just click on this, upload new file, go to browse, just like the way we did it the other time, and upload this image, right? Then after uploading this image, I can select this my image that I uploaded. Then I can add the file to this, then I can save. So now this is saved, right? So my Facebook link, I can go to my Facebook link and YouTube link and upload them right there, so that whenever people visit my link, they can see my Facebook link, Instagram link, and they can click on it, right? So, and after that, after this, my shop is set up, and I'm still waiting for the admin to approve it. Can click on visit shop. I click on visit shop. Can click on here and copy my Samsung Global 50. So that's my this thing. So that's my URL. That's my subdomain. Like this is the subdomain here. If you cannot see it, you see this something like this. I just pasted it right here, so that for us to see clearly. So I will just delete that one back. All right. So now let's go back to. So now in the next one, we just talk about how to upload your products to your shop. Okay, welcome back. So let's quickly go to mobile.com and let's log into our account. So let's see if our account is activated. Let's see if it's been approved. So this is mobile.com. Okay, so after logging in, click on Samsung 123 at Gmail. Remember our username. Just log in to my account. Wow, okay, so my account is approved. Now I can see this. Okay, I see products, I see ratings, I see total orders, I see total sales. So this is one of the greatest advantage this mobile is giving to you guys. You see, you can see the number of your products. You can see the number of your products. You can see the number of your ratings. You can see the total number of your orders. You can see the total number of your orders and all. You can see the total number of sales that you are making, right? You can see your sales statistic. If you started making sales, it will be going up. And amount sold. See, as you can see, amount sold, even to indicate the amount that you made last month, and also how many orders you have, orders you received, the new order, cancelled order, and a lot they are verified. Now you can, if you have some money in your account, you can withdraw your money from here. You can click on withdraw, and then your money will be withdrawn. And you can, if you want to add new products, if you want to start adding products to your store, you can add it. And if you want to go to product settings, shop settings, you can set it. And if you want to go to your payment settings also, you can set. And let's click on the menu. Let's see what we have. So we have products. We have all these products like this. We have uploaded files. We can also sell in wholesales. So this platform also allows us to sell in wholesales. Maybe we are selling in wholesales to people that wants to resell our products. So once we select wholesale, we can sell in wholesales to people. And if it is only single product we want to sell, you can come to this product and click on products. Once you click on this product, it's going to take us to our product pages, right? Once they take us to our product pages, I will quickly just, so I can now add new products to cart. I can click on add new products. I can add new products to my website. So now product name, category, brand, unit weight. Okay, all of this information that I'm going to fill. Okay, so I product description is available as well. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I will go to my notepad. I save my information. I with some of the information of the product, I type them right here. And product title. This is product one that I want to upload. So I will just copy this. And I will come to my product name. I will select this Phantom Black. So this is a phone, mobile phones, mobile accessories. So I will just select mobile phones. So brand, the phone that I'm uploading is Samsung. In your case, if you do not see the brand, you can use not listed, right? But since the brand is listed right here, Samsung, I'll just go with Samsung. And unit is I will put PC. In your own way to put PC, leave the weight, minimum purchase quantity, leave it, and this place, uh paste your product. You can, I'm selling Samsung, right? I'm selling Samsung. I'll just write Samsung Galaxy, right, comma, then I will just or I can just delete it and say Samsung Fold 4, right? So look at other description you have. We have Fold 4, 12 gig RAM, say 12 gig RAM, 512 ROM. That's the inner memory, right? Okay, so that's 512 gig space. So this tag, the purpose of this tag is for people to actually, when they come to mobile and they search for any product like this, they can actually, they search for Samsung Fold 4, they can actually lead to your store. So that's an additional promotion advert for you for free. So now remember, whenever you are, whatever you are typing, make sure that you add comma at the end. Understand? So 5G dual SIM Phantom. So just make sure that you add comma at the end, like Samsung, comma, understand, like that. So just make sure you do all of this, add the tags, whatever it is you think people can search for, just put it there. Product images. Now we have two product images. We have gallery images and thumbnail images. On these gallery images, I will just select the gallery images and I will go to upload new. I will browse the product and I will upload the picture images. So this is the image of the two that I want to upload. So I'm uploading the two products. Then after uploading the two, I will select the two. Then I will add file. Right now I've added two now. So right now I will click on the thumbnail. Now the thumbnail, I will only select one that will attract user, and I'm selecting this, and then I'll add file. So now these two images that I selected, if you remember, if you are not having good network, if you click on this load image, it may not open. Just refresh your browser and do it again. And after that, YouTube link, if you have a YouTube video of that product, you can upload the YouTube video link, right? So copy the YouTube video link and put it right there. But if you don't have, neglect it, forget about it, neglect all these aspects. Now units product price is very important. So this is going for 1.2 million naira. That's how much this phone costs at the moment. And discounts, okay, let's say initially it cost 1.5 billion naira, so I'm going to be giving discount of 300,000. So giving a discount of 300,000 means that the unit price I'll be displaying on this product will be 1.2 billion. That's how much I want to sell it. Now 300,000 discount is being removed on it. So how many quantity of this phone do I have? I have 10 of these available in stock. Then SKU, I will leave it, I will leave the rest. And now product description, I will just go back to my notepad and copy the description of the phone, this information, just like that, as the description. Copy. I'll go back to my product description, just paste everything there like that. Easy peasy. That's a Nano Galaxy Samsung. Okay, so I'll just scroll up. I don't need to add any other thing again. The SEO meta tags, just leave these ones as well. Free shipping. If you want to offer free shipping, if you want to send this phone to people for free, add it. And if the shipping is going to cost you much, you can add 1,000 naira for the shipping cost. That is if you want to deliver it to people within your location. So I mean, low quantity warning. So low quantity warning, just leave it at 1. It means if people buy this product and it remain 1, it will showing you warning, to throw you warning that your product is remaining 1. Just leave it at 1 like that. Okay, so if you want to accept cash on delivery as well, you can activate it. How many days will it take to ship? 1 day or 2 days, depending on how much days you think you can do it. So upload the product. Now, immediately you upload the product will be uploaded, right? And then if you click on this plus icon right there, if you click on this plus icon, to show you that approval is pending. Now this feature, make sure you select featured so that this product will be featured on your home page on your website. Now I will upload another product, so let's wait for some moments before they can actually approve this. I will select featured as well. So now let's go back to our shop. Let's go back to our shop settings. Now if you go to our shop settings, remember this visit shop. Let's click on visit shop to visit our shop. So this is our shop now. Now as you can see, so you see now this is our shop. Store home, top selling. You see the banner that I uploaded the other time, and featured product and new arrival product. You see it's not showing verification again. Now once they approve our products, everything is going to be displayed the way it's supposed to display. Alright, so I can just come here and copy my website link and paste it here on my notepad that I'm using to upload my products to Samsung Global 50. That's my website link on mobile. So I can share this link to people to see all of my product available online, and that is my own website now thanks to mobile. And so let's wait for this to be approved. In the next 24 hours or something like that, the website will be up and running. They would have approved it. So let me check. So let me refresh this page, and let me refresh my product page, and let me see if it has been approved. Okay, so my product has been approved, and this product too has been approved. So let me go to my shop settings and access my shop from there. So let me click on visit shop and see how my products are doing. Okay, so this is cool. Wow, new arrival. Okay, so this is great. So do you remember the featured that you selected at the time? This is it. It's going to feature there. New arrival are coming here. So I think this is cool. Wow. So if people wants to buy any of this now, they can just click on this product. If they click on this product, they see this product, right? Okay, so this is interesting. This is cool. Today's can message me. Okay, so they can buy, can add to cart, they can share, and this is the description about the product that I shared. Okay, so I think this is everything you need to know about your store, right? So you can go back to your dashboard, click dashboard, then you see you have 2 products now. Then when you start making sales, all the number will be counting. And also go to your payment settings to configure your payment settings, and put another phone number of yours, 90901267, right? So can still input your, remember that your logo, then add files, which is down, and also payment settings. You accept cash payment, you accept bank transfer, visit your, input your bank name, Samsung Global, the name of your account, and then account number is 0000000000. So if you input all this, once you click on update and save, it means that whatever it is that the user is paying for your product is going to be coming to your bank account right here. So add your address. So I'm adding 350 Dutse to this, Nigeria. State is Abuja, and city Dutse. So select your own city based on that. If you have any issues with whatever it is, you can always reach out to the customer service, and click on the website. So this is Simplify homepage, landing page. And if you want to reach out to them, you can always reach out to the customer care. Then they're always online 24/7. Just click on this and drop a message to them on WhatsApp, right? So that is just that about that. Okay, so these are the different products in stock, and I believe all your 2 products is added in the landing page. How awesome, right? That is really super cool. So this is the new product. This is your product right here on their own landing page as well. So apart from your website, they still list your product on their homepage for marketing. So good luck. Thank you. Okay guys, in this section we'll be talking about Facebook ads, and the only thing you need to do is to make sure that you have Facebook account. You've already set up a Facebook account, and also you have a working good Facebook account, right? Then after that, go to your Google Play Store. You can find your Play Store on this Play Store. You can find it on your phone. Click on Play Store and come to the search box, type Meta. Now, if there are 3 ways, there are many ways in which you can run Facebook ads, right? And one of it is using the mobile app for Meta Ads Manager. If you use any other ones apart from Meta Ads Manager, you're going to have difficulties in making the best for your advertisement. For example, there is a Meta Business Suite, and there's a Meta Ads Manager. So I would recommend you to install this Meta Ads Manager, because if you use Meta Business Suite, you can use that one to run Facebook ads as well. But using Meta Ads is completely complete. Let me put it that way. But this actually is complete as well, but one has more advantage than the other. So I use the 2 together to run my ads, and they work very well. So click on Meta Ads Manager and make sure that you install it. And I think there's an update. I will just go ahead and update my Meta Ads Manager. So I will just click on open. Okay, so this is open. So I'm currently running an ad at the moment, right? So the ad that I'm running, I've spent 1,900 naira, and I've received 22 conversations, which means I have received 22 customers on this ad, and I've spent 1,900 naira. So this is the trick about Facebook ads. With 1,900, you can get 22, you can get more than, you can get up to with 2,000 naira, you can get up to 30 to 40 customers to ask about your product that you're advertising. And the best part of it is this: if you are selling a product for 2,000 naira and you run an advertisement of 2,000 naira, and then 30 people message you on the product that you're selling, and on that product that you're selling you're making a profit of 2,000. If 40 people message you and 10 bought that product, that means you're going to be having how much? 10,000 naira. You're going to be having 2,000 naira times 10, which is going to be 20,000 naira. If you deduct 20,000 naira from the 2,000 naira you used to run the ad, then you're still having how much left? 18,000 naira. So using that 18,000 naira, you can become a millionaire. You can become a millionaire using just Facebook ads to get customers. And you already have a website for your website. You already have a website for your stores where people can patronize. You see all of your products and even add more products to cart, like for buy your product and more. So in this scenario, I will just proceed to show you how you can actually run more of these ads. All right. So right now, and also let me just give you another hint. Also, you can also do this Facebook ads for people and make money. For example, now you can run an ad for people and then it generates 100 million. It generates 30. Maybe you want to run another advert. You say they should pay 20,000 naira or 10,000 naira or whatever it is you want to charge, even in dollars or something like that. And if you run the ads and they are making their sales, you're going to be making a lot of money from there as well. So if you run ads for people, you make more money, then you become more. If you do your analysis right, you make a lot of money. Imagine you making 19,000 naira from ad of 2,000 naira, and then you run another 2,000 naira, you run another 2,000 naira, you run another 2,000 naira like that. That is how your product is going to be improving, getting more customers and all like that. So that is just a simple tips that I want to share to you for right now. So let's just dive straight into how we can actually start it. So right now you see these options at the down button right here, all these options right here, right? You will see all these that look like a bulb. And now let's click on settings. Let's click on these settings right here, these settings, and I'll click on settings. And these settings, you see this is my name, right? And my Instagram account is actually connected to my Facebook account. If you don't know how to do that, you can just send me a message in my inbox to teach you how to connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. And so go to payments. Currently now I'm having okay, so I'm having 462 naira. I'm having 462 naira on my account right now, right? And I can add more funds to this my wallet. So I can add 5,000 naira, can add more than that. I normally prefer to use PayU, because if I use PayU, I don't need to connect my card, because now card is having issues in Nigeria, and sometimes the debit will not work and all like that. But if you use PayU, you can actually use your ATM card to connect whatever it is, whether you have virtual card, you have dollar card or anything. You can actually use that to make that payment right here. You can also add your credit card just like the way I added it here, and then use it to make that your payment. But I will recommend you to use PayU. Don't connect your card, so PayU, and then use that PayU to actually make this payment. Right now like this. Okay, I will let's say I want to just so let's say I want to finance my account with 2,000 naira. So I'm clicking PayU. So clicking on PayU, now that I know that I'm making payment I want to pay money to my wallet. And paying this money to my wallet means that I want to use the money in that wallet to run my ad. Okay, so right now we click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, I will make sure that my ATM is with me, and I will wait for the portal to open. Now I'm paying 2,000 naira, right? Okay, so I will just input the card number. So I will input the card number, which is this, and I will input the name, and then my CVV. I will input my CVV, which is going to be the number at the back of your ATM. Understand? The card number here is the card number that is displaying in front of your ATM. The name right here, the card holder name is the name that is displaying on your ATM card, and input your then the expiry date 12, because you see valid on your ATM card. Select the valid date that is there, and If it is 26, if it is 27, if it is 28, if it is 22, if it is 23 on your card, make sure you input it. My own is 26, so I'm selecting 2026. So if your own is 2024, just scroll down and select, but my own is 2026. I'm selecting 2026, so I will input my PIN. Right, then I will pay. Then once I initiated that, is to go to my card, right? So I'm making my payment online. They will send me OTP to my account that's linked to my ATM card, and the message will come now. Good. Then I will copy this. I will copy that number. Then I will paste the number. If you cannot copy it, just look at the number. Scroll down. Look for the number. You cannot see the number. Just code for the number. You see the number, and then just input submit. And also this, you see this is your token. See 444. Just type the number and all. So, and immediately you do that, your transaction was successful, which means I have made payment to my Facebook account. I'll just click on continue. So I'm receiving emails that money have been made successfully from my PayU account. Okay, so now that this is done, I will just exit this section, then go back to my app, go back to settings, right? Go to my payment again, and now as you can see, my 2000 naira is now there. Okay, now that I funded my account, you can now start creating my fourth ads. You see this plus icon? Now, in your own case, you will not have anything here on your meta hat. You see this plus icon? Just click on it. Click on plus icon. Okay, so using Bolaji Mohammed Lukman page. Okay, so I have a page that is Bolaji Mohammed Lukman, so I'll be using that to create my hat, right? Okay, so now that I selected the page that I want to use to run my hat, remember this page, you can click here to select. You can click this section to select, to check if you have more than one page on your website, on your Facebook. If you don't have any more page, if you have only one page on your Facebook to display here, just select that the page that you want. You can be the name of your page, the name of your business, can be the name of anything right here, right? So just make sure that you are selecting something. Okay, so now the first thing first is I will need to explain all these things to you: post engagement, video views, website traffic, reach, website conversion, messages, and page likes. Okay, so you see post engagement. Post engagement is it allows more people to see your post and engage with it, such as people will like your post, people will follow your page, people will do a lot of stuff like that and go for post engagement. If you want people to view your videos, like you want to let a lot of people view your videos, you can use promoter video views. You can use the video views. And if it is website traffic, you want people to visit your website to see to send more people to your website, to get more traffic to your website, then you can use website traffic. And also we can use reach, so that this reach, you can reach a lot of number of people. That is, if you want to trend, if you want to upload to trend, you can go for reach. Website conversion, this is like if you want to, like for example, now you have a sale, something that you're doing on your platform. Let's say you want people to shop from your shop, you want people to buy from your shop and all like that, you can use website conversion. So this website conversion will send them to your shop and all like that. Okay, so in this ad we are going to do two. We're going to do two conversion. We're going to do two campaign. And first campaign is we're going to do website conversion, and the second campaign is going to be messages conversion, right? So messages conversion, this way let people send messages directly to your messenger, to your Instagram account, to your Instagram inbox, to your Facebook manager inbox, and to your WhatsApp. So you need to decide which one you want to go for. So I will recommend the best two ways. Best two ways is to use website conversion and messages. And if you want to make more sales, you need to use website conversion or messages. So we're going to use website conversion first. So click on website conversion. So when you click on website conversion, you're going to select, you see this single image right here. this single image that you're seeing down here. So just click on that single image. Once you click on it, if the clicking is not working, you can slide it up. Then you see create an ad with one image, create an ad with 2 or more images, create an ad with one video. So if you want to do video ads, you can select single video. If you already have a post on Facebook and you want to use the post on the Facebook page that you have, you can create an ad with an existing post. Now if I were you, I will use carousel. So carousel will come, so which means you can have multiple posts on, you can have multiple ads on your account now, whereby you have more than one ad that is displaying on a single ad. So let's say you have 10 products let's say you have 3 different products to adverts. Instead of it to be doing single adverts per one and wasting more money, you can actually create those ads on a single line, right? And once you do that on a single line, you can edit it the way you want. So this is why I recommended this one. Now this is very, very interesting and very, very good. And once you click on this image, now you can roll out and select, okay, what type of go to your camera roll. You already have your design that you want to use for this promotion, right? So just go to your camera roll and let's wait for that to load. Okay, so I want to add on this Samsung Fold 4. Then the second image I want to select this number 2. Then I'll select, I've already uploaded this. I will select number 2. Then that number 2, let's say I want to promote the pouch, right? So let me select the pouch for the number 2. I will select this that does not have a watermark. Okay, so if I want to add more, I can click on add more image, add more section, right? So that will make it 3. And once you make it 3 like that, I can just come to this number 3, click on this number 3, and then I can add one more. Now we had this one, or just use this one. Okay, depending on anyone that you think, any of your products. Okay, so I will just select these 3, and after this is done, I will click on next. This arrow right here, I'll just click on it and click on next. Okay, so primary test, there will not be anything in this your primary test. So primary test is going to be the information about the ads. Let's say you want to buy affordable, buy the latest Samsung Fold 4 at a very good price with us. Right, so I'm running these ads in real time so that you guys can have a very deep understanding on how to run it. Right, so call to action button, you see this call to action button, right, is very, very important. You see it's saying no button. No button means on this ad there is not going to be button. Now if you select button, shop now, it's going to be showing a button of shop now on your store, and you can actually select more. If it is sign up you want people to do on your ads, if it is book appointment you want people to do on your app, if you want people to learn more on your website, if that is the kind of ad you want to do, if you want people to sign up, if you want people to download, right, and also if you want people to send you WhatsApp message, right, you can select any of it. But now, remember we have okay, so now we can select shop now. So if we select shop now, it means this ad will be going to your website, right, where people will see that product, right? Okay, so now Carousel card item 1 has an invalid URL. Now edit this. So let's go to the first one. I mean, let's go to this first one, right? Let's click on it. Okay, so we are on the first one now. You need to add an heading. All these things that we are doing, you're going to see how they are going to be, displaying. So you write Samsung Fold 4. See, buy Samsung Fold 4 at affordable price. You can say Samsung Fold 4. Samsung Fold 4. You can say 12 gig RAM. Samsung. You can say, okay, you can say Fold 4 here. Fold 4 gig RAM, 312 gig hard disk ROM. Right? Then destination URL. Destination URL. Now this is when you will now go to that your website. So now let's go to our website. Remember, this is why it's very important for you to save it, so that when you need it, you can just copy your link. Jaguar. Just copy your link and paste it. That's the link to your shop, right? So now what is the thing we want to do is we want to copy the link from our website. So this is the domain. This is our own website, Abby. This is the domain for our website. Now, which one are we advertising first? We are advertising the Samsung Fold 4. I will click on Samsung Fold 4. And what I will do is I will click on at this top and copy this URL for the Samsung Fold 4. Right? Okay, so after copying it, I'll go back to my Facebook ads. Right there. Destination URL. We'll paste the URL there. Okay, so that one is done. Now we need to go to the second one. So remember, that's the first one. Now click on the second one. Okay, so now we are on the second one, I guess. So the information on the second one will be different, and the information on the second one will be by Fold 3 casing, right? And by Fold 3 casing, you say Fold 3 quality casing. Just input the short description. Fold 3 casing, right? And then destination URL for this is going to be different, right? Let's go back to our website again, and let's click on the case with pen holder and kit standard, blah blah blah, whatever it is. Copy this URL, and then we'll go to our destination. We select this. It stands for Galaxy. Okay, so now when that is done, now number 3 is this. I think we still gonna stick with that same one. But no, we're still going to stick with the second one, right? So Samsung Fold 4. Okay, sorry. So I think we need to stick with the fourth one, because this is still our Samsung Fold 4. So I'll just go back to this, our 1.2 million phone, copy the URL again, and you guys, this is where I'm copying the URL. This is what I'm using. You can actually copy it anyhow you want, but that's the way you can copy all of these things anyhow your phone is displaying it. So I will just select this, I just paste it in. So those are it. There are 3 now. Okay, so now that this is done, let's check include page profile picture. If you want to include your page profile picture, you can select this, or if I were you, I will not select it. Shortcut automatically, I'll just leave it like that. And placement, where we want these ads to be displayed, so just leave it like that. Leave it the way Google Facebook recommended it. Then go back. After you go back, Instagram account, okay, which is linked. I already told you the Instagram account is linked to the account. Okay, now everything that we have been setting up since morning. Now, if you see this, then you are very correct. Now, if you notice that some ads looks like this on Facebook, when you log into Facebook, you normally see ads like this from Jumia, from Konga, from all of these people. This is how they normally do it. So you see, buy Samsung Fold 4, right? Fold 4 12 gig. You see, people easily see this. That's why I use that keyword, so that people will easily see the ad. If you slide like this, other ones will come. You understand? If you slide like this, other ones will come. You can also preview on how it can. Let's try and see the ad preview. So if the network is really good and it shows immediately, so it makes sense. So this is how the ad display everywhere on the internet, on Facebook. Okay, great. Okay, so sponsor that, buy the latest. Now remember, my own Facebook page that I'm using as an example is Bolaji Mohammed Lukman. That's why it's showing this Bolaji Mohammed Lukman. Meanwhile, your business name as your paid name. Don't use your name. Use your business name. So your business name will be the one to be displaying this, right? Okay. So you see, this is how the ad will be displaying right everywhere. You see, this one will be sliding and all like that. People scroll to this side. So what I'm saying is, if people scroll like this, they will see the other one. You see, buy Samsung Fold 4 for the first one. Buy casing. You see this casing, which is the second one. They're going to be displaying like that. And you can also check other places, like marketplaces, where all your ad is going to be displaying. Okay, cool. So now that is done, we go back and then we click on this section again. Click on this arrow right here. So let's click on the arrow to move on. Okay, now this is where you need to create your audience. Now, if you don't have an audience, make sure you create new audience. Now, creating new audience, this is the tricky part. Now, let me quickly explain something to you. If you are from Nigeria, your location should be Nigeria. If you are from the US, your location should be US, United States. If you are from China, your message should be your location should be China. If you're not in China, if you're in China and you're locating customers from US, it's not gonna work. You are from Nigeria and you are getting people from US. Like a small business, you are not a big company like that can be easily do all this logistic and traveling and sending goods from one country to another. So select your location. If you're a big company, you can do that. You can even select global, because you know you have the resources to deliver product from anywhere to another country, right? But if you are a small business or medium business, make sure you target your country. So I will assume this is Nigeria, then include this location. So now if I were you, I will set people that will be interested in that kind of phone, let's say from 19 years old, and I will select all. Okay, our audience is set. Okay, so now detailed targeting. So this detailed targeting improve your ad delivery results, which is cool, which is making sense. You can select include targeting ads. Now this section, you can search for people. That can actually target your ads, that can actually buy your ads. Let's say, for example, now type phone, because me, I'm selling phone. So I will select all these people that are mobile phone, iPhone, smartphone, blah blah blah. So now let's say people that normally buy phones as well are students, right? I will just type student, right? So I will select students in your education. I will select that you have 20 million people over there. Select student education. Okay, so I think I'm done right there. So also people that normally uses phone as well as businesses, I will select all businesses, product and business. I will select business admin, business finance, business finance, business finance, live business, Instagram. You can select as many as possible. Now in this case scenario, I will just select only for this at the moment, just like that. And advanced option, now this is not needed at the moment. Okay, now so this is set. This Nigeria, okay, for one reason Facebook is having issues with this to work on mobile app, right? You see, as I'm clicking it is not working, right? And as I'm clicking this as well, it's not working. So which means on mobile app, Facebook have not fixed that bug. But later on in the future, Facebook will fix that bug. Which means you can only include the location, like, okay, since it is in Nigeria, since you have your location on, it will automatically put your location there. And as well as if you are from another country, your country will be showing right there. And if you are from China, your country will be China. And if you are from US, your country will be US. After that is done, it's this mark. Okay, so your new audience has been set. Okay, great. So now you have new audience like that. Okay, so at the moment, this is one audience. You can create as many audience as possible. You can create an audience for Kwara State. You can create an audience for Lagos State. You can see one of my audience here says Kwara audience. So based on each audience, I'm targeting every audience based on different audience. Mobile audience, Abuja artists, like, skill, any, and I am targeting ads to my business. I'm targeting out to where I have my pages on, so that people can actually go there. So this, you can actually create multiple audience for your business. And after that, you can click on this arrow to continue. This arrow here to continue. Just click on continue. Now this is another tricky part, very very important. Make sure you have daily and lifetime. You don't select lifetime, select daily. And daily, this is quite really too much. Don't select 995 naira. This will be wasting your money. For a start with 465 naira. 465 naira. If you are not from Nigeria, you are from outside the Nigeria, you can convert the naira to dollars and then put it there. And based on your country, you can select the ads that can actually work for your business based on your country. So for Nigeria, you should select 465. If you are in another country, you can put the price that is very very comfortable for you, that you will not be wasting your money. So select run ad consecutively. So this ad will be running every day if you set it. But if you want this ad to be running for a particular time, maybe you want it to run from now till the next 5 days, then it will stop. Then you can run ad continuously. Just select this and click on start. Okay, so run ad consecutively. You see we have 7 days, so this ad will be running for 7 days. And also you can still run the ad consecutively, but if I were you, I will just remove that, you understand? Then I will fix a time for my ad to run, which means I can reduce it to 7 days, I can reduce it to 6 days, I can reduce it to 5 days. Now remember, I have 2,000 naira in my account, and I will be spending 465 naira every day. So if I go to my calculator, and I say 2,000 naira divided by 465, which means I will be doing this ad for 4 times. It's going to be 4 times, so that means it is 4 days that this ad will be running. So to make your calculation right, just reduce it to 4 days. And you see, let's check out our delivery. Okay, so highest volume is okay. You just click on back, go back, and after that, then come to your arrow right here and mark that green, that blue, just that with mark. Just click it. Okay, so this is just about Facebook advertisement with your mobile phone. Wow, right? So this is one of the best courses on one of the best courses on Facebook ads, and where you can minimize and maximize your money to get reasonable people that will actually come to your store and buy your product. So this is it. This is your ad set scheduled to run from now to 4 days time, and the total budget is 1,860. Since we have money in our account, you see our balance is 2,000. We already have fund. If you don't have fund, you cannot add it, right? So still add more. If you want to extend it to 5 days or 7 days, you can add more funds, follow the same process and all, then place order. Immediately you place your order, Facebook will receive it, Facebook will process it, and after some time your ad will be displaying. See, after you place your order, then that's it. The order will be placed to Google and everything will be alright. So which means your ad will now started processing. Okay, so thank you.